こんにちは。
こんにちは先生。
はい、お名前を教えてください。
私はチラニャ・ディサパーナンドと申します。
はい、早川でどのレベルを勉強しましたか？
N3 レベル勉強しました。
N3 C-JAT 3ですね。
はい。
はい。
In Hayakawa, they have studying Japanese program, and I think it's a very convenient program for anyone who's planning to go to Japan. And especially the teachers in Hayakawa and also the staff in Hayakawa, they are really helpful. If you want anytime, they will reply for your messages and they will help in any way. And I think it's very important when you are going to a new country. So you don't feel alone at any cost. Always teachers will be there and also staff will be there, and it's always a smooth process. So I invite all of you to join Hayakawa and try studying Japan program. Thank you.
はい。じゃあ、チランヤさん行ったら頑張ってください。
はい。
はい。ありがとうございました。